5 to clean and to scale. How to clean. Empty the bean box. Ground the remaining coffee beans and stop it when you hear the motor idling sound. Unplug the appliance. Press the funnel switch button to open the funnel support. Take out the funnel together with the filter and funnel lid. Empty the coffee grounds out of the filter. Wash and dry the accessories with clean water. Wipe the top and inside of the funnel chamber with a clean dry cloth. Close the funnel support lightly. Clean the carafe and put back in place. Be careful not to touch the warming plate during the cleaning process.